Hey everyone, and welcome to beginning a sourdough starter from scratch. Now it's a pretty simple process, you don't need much, and it only takes a couple of days. So the first thing that we're actually going to need is a scale. And this is just to make sure that our measurements are consistent for the next few days. We need a jar to put it all in. The jar is going to be a bit bigger than you need, and it should have a lid, but you don't want to keep the lid firmly closed. We also need some plain flour and some room temperature water. Also something to stir everything in with. So what we're going to do is we're going to set our jar right onto the scale, zero it out, and I'm going to be using ounces for this particular one, and I'll have the conversion in the description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out 4 ounces of white flour. Okay, there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour the equal amount of water into the jar as well. So that's 4 ounces of flour and 4 ounces of room temperature water. Just give this a quick stir. Now we just want to make sure that the flour is hydrated. We don't need to really stir it a lot. Just scoop that back into the jar. And that's it. Now I'm going to just have the lid ajar because I do want the air to get in there. And I'm just going to set this in a relatively warm place. Room temperature is fine. Leave it overnight and then tomorrow start again. So be sure to check back tomorrow for day 2 on starting your own sourdough starter.